Agriculture is the oldest and until today the most important segment of our daily life. It is the basis of livelihoods. Agriculture not only supplies food, it also delivers many materials for further production. Agricultural products are traded internationally, and a high percentage of employments are based on agriculture in countries all over the globe. Aerial surveys and monitoring can contribute towards a better agricultural practice in many ways. Precise image collections for generating application maps for analyzing and managing plots are one way to start. Further, plant health can be monitored and growth observation becomes a standard procedure. High-precision agriculture and irrigation management can be supported with a suitable data set, for example, terrain models for the water and erosion management. Suitable data consists of infrared images for NDVI calculation, which reveals chlorophyll activity of crops. Optical imagery supports in the assessment of crop status, among others. Thermal images support greenhouse managing, disease detection or irrigation planning. Surface models, finally generated with aerial imagery, reveal potential soil losses due to high slopes and can support strategic planning. GGS supports agricultural application in many ways, with sensors for aircrafts and UAVs and with their Aerospectre unmanned systems. GGS integrates aerial cameras, near-infrared sensors, thermal sensors, LiDAR and others for survey and monitoring. Our sensor combination of 4 or 5 bands for detecting red edge information is just one part of it.